Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Freelancer app. All you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So when you click on it here, so it's going. So when you just click in this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on email notifications. When you click on it here, when you click on email notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down here, so you keep going down here, and you come here to emails for list projects posted. You click in this sign. So like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.